This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Randall Cummings. Features include spacious semi-open living area, kitchen west/stainless appliances, quartz countertops and a dinner table nook, beautiful hardwood floors, gas log fireplace, and large windows overlooking a low-maintenance landscaped lawn and the Ponce de Leon 17th tee. The backyard has a wrought iron dog run adjacent to the patio. The home sits back from the golf course, providing additional privacy. The 3-tier deck uses Trek flooring and offers a year-round vacation view. Crown molding in each room. A formal dining area. Has a completely finished lower level with a guest space or game room, a bedroom, a full bath, and a multi-purpose/craft room or office, with an abundance of storage space. A dual sink vanity, whirlpool tub, separate shower, and 2 walk-in closets in the master. Has a large 2-car garage with a workspace and custom storage units. Additional workbench and storage in the basement/crawl space. This home is great for entertaining both in and outside. HVAC replaced 2022, hot water heater replaced 2024. Leaf filters installed 2023. Master bedroom has new carpet. Bounded by undeveloped lots, provides additional privacy.